How to upgrade to premium plan in Wix Studio. So in order to upgrade to your premium plan, we can actually head over and then just go to our settings. Click onto the settings option. And then from in there, you should be able to see your site settings. So for this one, you can head over and see website settings, domains, as well as a lot more things. So what we can do is we can search our settings right here and search in here for a subscription. You can see in here this manage plan option. Click on that. And then from in there, it should be able to redirect you to the subscription page. Click onto this upgrade your site and it will direct you to this new window. And then in here, you should be able to see the Wix Studio pricing. We have Enterprise, Elite, Plus, Standard, as well as Basic. So just choosing here which premium plan you want. For example, for this case, let's choose the Basic option. And once you have clicked on Select, just choosing here your billing cycle. It can be monthly, yearly, or 2 years. From there, click on Discontinue to checkout. And then after that, just input right here your payment method like your credit card, PayPal, or create a payment request. Input right here your invoice details in order to have some invoice. And after that, click on to this submit purchase. So that's how you upgrade the premium plan in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.